Cho ở đây.
Đúng rồi.
Okay, I think it's time. Okay. So the question 11. Anybody open? Okay, you're on mute. So the question 11, the dimensions of two metal cube boards are 3, 5, 7, and 6, 8, 10. One of the cube board is shown in right. So this one, we're having this 3, this 5, and here's 7. So the first cube board. And Harry melted both cube boards and formed the largest possible cube board with base 9 times 13. What is the height of the new cube board? So what are we having? We're having two cube board, but only one is shown in our figure. So what are we going to do is that to find the new cube board that has the base, the height of the new cube board that has the base of 9 times 13, so that it is being made by melt of the previous two cube board. So we're going to have to find the volumes of the first two cube boards first. So the volume of the cube board, we're doing the multiplications of all the dimension, so that 3 times 5 is giving us 15, and 15 times 7 it's giving us 105. So first cube board is 105. Yeah. And another one, 6 times 8, it's giving us 48, and times 10 it's gonna be 480. So the second cube board it is 480. So we're going to sum this up, which giving us 585. To mention that all the dimensions is written in the multiplication, so that we're going to have it written in the dimension in multiplication as well, so that we're already have the size of the base, so that we're going to divide the total volume of the new cube board by this. So let's divide it by 9 first, I guess. So this one is giving us 6, remain 4, and 5 down here, having 5. And we're divided again by 13, which is, sorry, 13 is giving us 5, so that the height must be 5b. Do you have any questions? Please let me know.
Now,
Okay, thank you.
teacher,
We're going to move on then.
teacher, I
Yes.
have a question.
Yeah, please ask then.
So for like the first cube, how do you get 105? It's the part where I don't actually know.
Oh, okay. So we're having all the dimensions of the cube. This is the base, which is 5, 7, and here is height 8. So what we're doing is to find the volume, which we multiply all of these, so we get the volume. Do you understand?
Yes, and like how do you divide it to get the answer?
Okay, so new cube is written as 9 times 13 times something to form the cube. So like they giving us just the dimensions of the base. So we need to find the height. And what we did is to find the volume of the two previous cube, and then we find the last dimension, which is the height of the new cube. I hope this helped.
Teacher, it helps.
So anybody have any more question? Okay, so we're going to move on then. Question 12. So you have some time to think of it. Okay, since this is our last class, I hope you don't mind. I need to do as fast as I can so that you can finish more question for your preparation. So the question 12, there are three boxes. One contain only apples, one contains only orange, and one contain both apples and orange. All the boxes are labeled as shown below. Box 1, this box contain both apples and orange. Box 1 does not contain different fruit, mean that um, box 1 only contain um, apple, sorry, apple or orange. Oh, I spelled wrong. Okay. And the third one, this box contain only one type of fruit. It could be apple or orange. So they said that if only one box is labeled correctly, which box contain both fruits, either apples and orange. So in this type of question, we're going to try the answer and then eliminate it one by one and get the last answer as it is just the multiple question. So let's start from the answer A. So let's assume that box 1 contain both apples and orange, so that the box 1 labels is correct and the second is not correct as they are opposite, and the third one is basically correct because both apples and oranges are already in the box 1, so that it cannot be in the box 3, and 3 must be have only one type of fruits. So A cannot be our answer as it's given that only one is correct. But we're having two corrects, so that one is not our answer. So we cross A. How about B? If part 2 has both apples and orange, so that this gonna be wrong. And this one, box 1 does not contain different fruits. So this is correct, and this is also correct. So it's still not our answer. So we just cross answer B as well. let's try the third one. If both apples and orange in the box 3, so that box 1 cannot contain, and the second that label that box 1 does not contain different fruits, so that it's gonna be correct. And the last one, it's gonna be wrong because they said only contain one type of fruit, but in fact, box 3 contain 2 different types of fruit, so the answers must be 3. Do you have any question?
No.
Okay, so oh, I saw someone unmute. Do you have any question?
No, teacher.
Okay, fine. So that we're going to move on. I could say this is quite a hard question, so that yeah, I'll give you 1 minute to think of it first. Okay, so as I mentioned, we need to be a bit rushed so that I'm gonna solve it for you all. So question 13. In the rectangle ABCD, point E is on the side AB and point F is on the side AD. As we can see, E is on the AB and F is on the AD. Such that BE is 1/3 AE here, and the F is 2/5 AD. What is the ratio of areas of ABCD and FEBCD? This one, we're having ABCD, the whole rectangle, and FEBCD here, this one. So what are we going to find is to use all this property, which BE is 1/3 AE, so that if you imagine, let's say okay, let's say AE, assume it equal to A. Yeah. Oh, let's do this better. So BE, let us assume BE is equal to A, so that it is equal to 1/3 AE, so that AE is equal to 3A. This is A, this is 3A. So what we want to find is the ratio of the AE over the AB, and I will tell you soon why we're doing this. So we're having AE directly proportional to AB. Oh, sorry, supposed to be AB. AB here, which is equal to 3/4, because 3A plus A is going to be 4, so that we're having 3/4. Okay, so what are we going to do next? As we're having to find the area, the ratio of the area ABCD and FEBCD. So that to find the area of ABCD, we're gonna have AB multiplied by AD. And this one, we already have the proportions of the AD and the F here. This one, which can be written as the F like this equal to 2, 5. So we need to find the AF first. So the AF is gonna be AF AE equal to 1 minus 2 over 5, which 3 over 5 or 3, 5 like this. So let's assume that it is exactly the value of each range. So AF, let's assume it is 3. AD, the whole this, we'll assume it is 5. And this one, 3. And AB is 4. So let's see why we're doing this. To find the ratio, you need all this proportion. Okay, wait a bit. So we have all the value. This one, which is 4, AB is equal to 4. So we have all the length, so we can find the area now. It doesn't matter how much the range is and what is the common quotients of the ratio, but in this case, to be easy, we just let some number be so that we can easily calculate it. And to find the area of the ABCD, we're gonna have AB times AD, which is 4 times 3 equal to 12, which is the area of A, B, C, D. All right. And then how to find the area of F, E, B, C, D? We're gonna have the area of F, E, B, C, D equal to the area of A, B, C, D minus the area of the triangle A, E, F. So we already have all the data. So area of ABCD here, we have 12, and the formula of finding the area of the triangle, we have the side here, which is 3, and this is 3 as well. 3 times 3 over 2. Oh, I think there's supposed to be something weird here. Okay, let's just continue. So 12, we can read it as 12 over 2 minus 9 over 2, giving us 15 over 2, right? So we already have the area, so that the ratio A, B, C, D and A, F, E, B, C, D is equal to, we have 12 and 15. Which is 24 and 15. Excuse me guys, I think there's some mistake with my solution. I'm gonna check a bit. Okay, I think we're gonna skip this one because the answer is actually wrong. Yeah, let's do this one first. Okay, I now know what is wrong. Yeah, no one remind me. This is not actually 3. This is 5. So here is 20. Oh gosh. And this is 20 as well. So that this one is 40. And this one is 31. 31. And this is 20 and 31. So what are we having is 40 to 31, which is the answer A. I hope this will help you, but it's a bit hard to understand. Okay, so someone did ask me to explain clearer, and I admit that it is a bit hard to understand. So that we're finding the ratio of the areas A, B, C, D and F, E, B, C, D, and we have this the value of BE in terms of AE and the F in terms of AD. But in order to find the area, we're having the area of ABCD, which is the AB times AD, so that we're gonna find the ratio between AF and AD and BE and AB, because to find this triangle as well. And then we just proceed assume some number to be the value and find the ratio, which is 40 to 31. I'm sorry if the explanation is a bit hard to understand. Do you all can understand now? Okay, someone just said it's okay then. We're going to move on. Since we really have short of time, I'm going to proceed this. Sorry for not having times for you all to think first. So, question 14, in which of the following time is the hour hand closest to the minute hand of a clock? So all of these we're having 6. We're having the our hand must be on 6 here. It could be here and here because every minute either the hour hand and minute hand they move together. Oh, okay, it's okay. So let's assume that this is the hour hand and this is the minute hand. It could be anywhere. This. And we need to find the closest. To mention that we're having a clock like this. Okay. Sorry for my drawing. I'm not good at it. Just to let you all understand. Okay, so this is 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11, which is a clock. We're having 12 space here, so that the whole have the total degree of 106 360, but one space here we're having it divided by 12, which is 30 degrees for each. So that the hour hand is moving 30 degrees every hour. And as well as the minute hand move 30 degrees every 5 minutes. Okay. So to mention, this is another hard question. Let's find other way to explain. Okay. Okay, so the minute hand, it's move 36 every hour. And what we want to do is to find each distance for each minute, because we're having the difference of minutes here, so that we can try and eliminate some of the answer. So we're having this one an hour, so that 60 divided by 60, because 1 hour we're having 60 minutes and it's giving us 6 degrees. So that means every minute the minute hand gonna move 6 degrees. Okay. While the minute hand move 6 degrees, the hour hand also move, but it is 30 degrees minus by 60 is gonna be 0.5 degrees here. So let's find it. This one we're going to have it's already at the 6. The hour hand is already at the 6, and it can be over here or somewhere right here. So let's assume it is the answer A is the correct answer, so that both so that both could be around here, but it is exactly that the minute hand must be on the 6, but the hour hand must be between the 7 and 6, so we cannot guarantee which one is the closest. So that we're gonna find this one we're having 30 minutes, so that 0.5 times 30, this is about the hour hand, and it's giving us 15 degrees. We're having 15 degrees, mean that assume this is between the 7 and 6, and here is the hour hand, and we're having this 15 degrees. Okay, so let's find all the others. Okay, let me remove this so I can write something on it. Let us assume this side is about the hour hand and this side is the minute hand. So what are we having for the minute hand? It is gonna be 6 times 30, giving us 180. But we have to minus half of this because the hour hand start from the 6, but the minute hand start from 12. So we're going to minus 180, so that the different, oh sorry, we're gonna minus the 180 and it's giving us 0. So currently I am finding the distance from 6 from the number 6 here. So yeah, so that our distance is gonna be 15 degrees. Okay, how about another one? We're having 0.5 times 31, which is 15.5, and this one is 6 times 31, giving us 18 and 6, so that the distance is going to be 15.5 minus 6, which is 9.5. So we're having a bit closer now, but we're not sure if it is the answer. So we're going to keep doing this operation. And this one is time 32, giving us 16. And this one is 6 times 32. It's giving us 192. So the distance is going to be 16 minus 12, giving us 4 degrees. And another one is times 33. It's giving us 16.5, I guess. If you find any mistake with my calculations, please unmute and tell me. And this one, we're having 6 times 33, which is 800. Yeah, 98, like this. And after minus 180, we're going to have 18. So the distance, it's about 1.5, I guess. Yeah. So another one, it's 0.5 times 34, giving us 17. And 6 times 34, it's giving us 24 is going to be 204. So after minus it by 180 is giving us 24, and the distance it's 7 degrees. So here it is really exactly, this is our answer, which is the closest one. So the answer is really D. Do you guys have any question? I admit that it's a bit hard to understand. So yes.
Teacher, I don't really understand where do you get 60 to like divide with 30?
16 to divide by 30. Okay, so let me start from the beginning. We're finding the closest what time that the hand hour and the minute the hour hand and minute hand in the closest distance, right? So too easy, we're finding 1 minute. How much the distance 1 minute that both of the hour hand and minute hand move. So as shown here, the minute hand move 0.5 per minute, and the minute hand move 6 degrees after 1 minute. So we're finding each minute here but this one is start from the 6 here, it start, and this one it start from 12, so that we have to minus the 180, as this here it's equal to 180 degrees, so that we're having 0. And to find the difference here, we have to get 15 minus 0, which is 15, which is the distance from each of the hand. And then we do the same operation for the other answer, and we having answer D, which is the closest. We're having the smallest distance. Yeah. Do you have any more question?
Where do you like get how do you find the degree to get, like for the minute hand it goes for like 5 degrees. How do you like find that answer?
Okay, to find that, you all know that 1 hour we're having 60 minutes, right? And the whole clock we're having 360 degrees. So consider the minute hand. So after 1 hour, it moved from 12 to 12 back then, like over the circle, over the clock. Start from 12 and end at 12 as well. So what we do is to divide to find each minute. We have 360 degrees minus divided by 60, we're gonna have 6 degrees, so that each minute the minute hand move 6 degrees. And for the hour hand, as I explained before, we're having the whole circle, but the hour hand is different from the minute hand, that it move only one column here. Like this is 12 and this is 1. So it's gonna start from here and end from here after 1 hour. Okay. So this is equal to 30 degrees, as we're having 12 like this. Just assume this is an all of here. We're having 12 spaces, so that we're gonna have 360 degrees divided by 12 to find each degrees in each space. So we're having 30 degrees for each space. So that 1 hour, the hand hour moved 30 degrees. All right, so we do the same as here. We're going to have 30 degrees divided by 16, and we have 0.5 degrees, as I mentioned here. It's a bit messy here. Okay. I hope this helped. Do you still find it not
It helps.
understanding? Oh, thank you. Uh, it's hard. It's a bit hard, this one. Okay, we already have 10 minutes extra. Do you all want to have another question for this? Yeah, I guess. Okay, so let's do another question then. We're asking to find the missing cube here. So based on the vision, which one is the answer? Okay, so let me explain what are we doing here is to find the missing, so that let's connect this to easier to see which one. Okay, like this. And here we're having a bit gray. Yes. Okay. Oops, sorry. Okay, so we need to see that here. Let's try it again. let's consider this is left, this is right, and this is up. So our up, we're having like this, the gray and the little black triangle. So as we support here, we're having this as well. And let's consider the left here. So the left, we're having a cross of a big triangle, black triangle, and a smaller gray triangle. And for this one, we're having um like this, yeah. The base is gray and another side of the larger triangle is black. So mention that all the answer is not the original uh visions of it. It can be rotate. It could be 45 degrees rotate. So we have to make sure about that. Okay, someone said the answer is B. Okay, let's find out. If A is the answer, so this is gonna be our right, and this one, oh, so A is not the answer because we're not having this side, this left, so A cannot be the answer. How about B? B, we're having here the same as our left, and this one is the same of our right, but our up, no, it's not the same. So sorry, this B is not our answer as well. So we're having another one, which is C. Okay, as I mentioned that it can be rotate. So this one, this must be our left. And if this is our left, this gonna be our up. So surely this is not our answer. Another one, this gonna be our right. Okay. I can see that this is not also our answer. Oh, wait. Okay, let me check. Okay, so we have skipped the correct answer. The correct answer is actually C. Okay, so let me explain why the correct answer is C. As I mentioned that it can be rotated. So if it is rotated, this one is gonna be, let's consider this is our left, and this is our right, and this is our up. If you rotate it like this, we're gonna see the original and fit the cube here. Do you understand? Okay, I could see many answer. Let's say it's C. So congratulations, you did great. Yeah. Do you have any question? And sorry, really sorry for the technical issues today. Okay, we're having no questions today. No more question. So that I think I'm gonna end our class today, and we're not having more class actually. This is our last one, the last sessions, as we promised that we're going to do 3 weeks, and it's now been 3 weeks. And I really hope to see you all in the SASMO. Hope you prepare well, and good luck for your exam. And yes, you can leave now. Goodbye.
Teacher, can you please send this 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 example thing Telegram so we could just do the other 10 questions by ourselves?
Okay, so I will request this to our organizer, and let's see if I can send it to our group. Okay. And thank you for your participation today. Thank you, everyone. I'm gonna end our meeting now. Goodbye.
Teacher.
Good luck, guys.